It's a wonderful this program which is being scheduled on 8th of December 2025. Good morning. This side Dr. Bhupendra Kaushal. I'm a corporate professional from a human resource function. Total experience of 28.5 years over a period of last almost 3 decades. I have worked with the manufacturing plants as well as corporate sector, and prior to joining the corporate sector, I have been into the Indian Air Force for 11.5 years. So if I sum up my experience, it comes out to be somewhere at 40 years. And corporate journey has been wonderful over the past 3 decades. I've been to the quite big group like Zydus Cadila. I was with Zeketar, Japuria Group, and a few more. And I really enjoyed this wonderful journey of last 28.5 years corporate journey, where I've also handled plant as well as corporate. So I'm thankful for inviting me here for this Be the Kingmaker program. I would request my all corporate colleagues to participate to the fullest extent, because this is a basically amalgamation wherein you will get political analysts, political people as well as the corporate people, because we know that without policy no company can work, and the CII and FICCI and these which are the intermediaries which are between the government as well as the company, it is kind of interface, wherein we can we can use this platform for enjoying the benefit of corporate as well as political environment, and you will find a good exposure in the times to come. It's a wonderful this program which is being scheduled on 8th of December 2025. I request my all corporate colleagues and the senior HR leaders as well as CEOs to participate this program, which is a unique one, wherein is a amalgamation of corporate as well as industries, academia, and good number of people are about to come for this program. So I wish all the best, and the whole program is being organized by our wonderful team led by Mr. A.K. Mishra ji. We hope this and wish for the successful journey on 8th of December 2025. Thank you so much.